We turn now to new developments in the deadly deputy-involved shooting of a Pueblo man back in March. After months of review, the district attorney's office has ruled the deputy who fired 15 rounds in 5 seconds, killing Jesse Cedillo, an armed carjacking suspect, was justified. No charges will be filed. That video, taken by a third party, only shows one perspective.
But News 5 now has the body camera footage from the sheriff's office showing their point of view.
Our Colette Bordelon live from the DA's office in Pueblo to break down the report and the new video. Colette.
One of the biggest points being debated by family members, whether or not Cedillo had a gun on him at the time. Now, they say he did not, while the DA's office says outside agencies like the Colorado Bureau of Investigations and even a report out of California confirm Cedillo did have a gun.
Stop, 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 stop!
On March 14th,
get on the ground!
Pueblo County Sheriff's deputies responded to reports of a carjacking with what they believe to be an armed suspect.
I think they also need to know the origin of this and what was in the police officer's mind.
Let me see your hands! Give me your hands!
15 rounds in 5 seconds.
Shots fired!
That this officer response was in accordance with Pueblo County Sheriff standards of training.
5 of those bullets hitting Cedillo in his left side, killing him. And here's what it looks like when we slow that video down.
We've had any number of cases where an excessive, what may appear to be an excessive number of shots are taken, but perfectly legal.
In District Attorney Jeff Chostner's report, it states the deputy who fired the shots says Cedillo raised a gun. But one neighbor was concerned about the number of shots heard. Chostner references a Supreme Court case that says officers need not stop shooting until the threat has ended. Ultimately, a piece of the puzzle the DA says led to no criminal charges being filed.
Based on the evidence and the case law and the Supreme Court rulings, I made the right decision.
But a protest headed to his house thinks differently.
Jesse didn't deserve to die.
His family overcome with emotion.
I'm upset, sad, angry. It's just not fair.
With one of his sisters saying the gun was planted.
He had no gun. Stop falsifying evidence.
And wishing they could see their brother one more time.
I love him and I'm sorry for everything, and I wish we could change what has happened the last couple months.
The DA did say this is a tragic situation all around. Another part of the DA's report talked about Senate Bill 217. He said even if that would have become law before Cedillo was shot, he still believes this would have been ruled as justified. He said that because of how the situation arose. With officers getting a call about an armed suspect, they believed was violent. Always watching out for you, Pueblo. Colette Bordelon, News 5.